Hi, Daniela. Daniela pala.
Hello po.
Daniela. Hi guys, good evening. 4 minutes na lang. Let's start. Good evening, Chriselle. Hi, Christopher. Ayan. We are joined by Christopher on the Zoom link. We have 3 minutes, guys, before we start. And welcome again to this accounting quiz show. Ayan. Ayan. We also have Kenzel joining the Zoom link. Hi, Kenzel.
Hello po, sir. Naririnig mo
Hello
po.
po, sir. Naririnig mo.
Yes, narinig kita, Kenzel. Good evening, Christopher. Ayan. Hi, Daniela. You're back. We still have 2 minutes, guys. Let's start sharp 7 p.m. For this time, Christopher, we will answer sa accountingupgrade.com. I will share again yung link para masundan niyo. Okay? Ayan. Good evening, guys. Let's start now. Are you ready? Okay. So let me share again the link where we will answer this quiz show. Ayan. So nakikita niyo sa chat box yung accountingupgrade.com. Ayan. So dyan sa link na yan, we will answer yung mga questions dito sa quiz show. Anyways, I will mention naman yan mamaya sa mechanics, sa updated mechanics natin. So that you need not worry regarding sa website na yan. Okay? All right. Hello, RG. Good evening. I think we can start na, guys. And here on the Zoom link, we have Daniela and Christopher. So I think mag-i-speak sila, no? Kaya sila sumali dito sa Zoom link. Joke lang. Ayan. Anyways, welcome guys to this quiz show, and I hope that everyone will be the winner of this event. Okay. So let's start. Okay. RG. Okay, admitting you. Ayan. So welcome guys again to this 5th accounting quiz show. So it is a weekly event, and it is already our 5th time that we have held this accounting quiz show. Okay. So are you ready to win, guys? So by the way, para dun sa mga bago, I'm Edgar de la Madrid, and you can call me Ed, and I'm your host for today's event. Okay. Ayan. So let me share again the first accounting quiz show winners. We have Nestor, John, and Jaya. Ayan. And for the second accounting quiz show winner, we have Christopher from Bulacan Polytechnic College. And then the third accounting quiz show winner, we have Monha from the National University Manila. And for the fourth accounting quiz show, we have RJ. And for today's participant, medyo maraming nag-register, kaya lang siguro late sila, no? Yeah, kasi very sharp, 7 p.m. tayo nag-start. Okay, but anyways, ito yung mga nag-register sa link. Ayan. We have Leonardo Mercader from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Marites Tabilas from Lyceum of Apari, Claire Flores from Northeastern College, Carmela Jane from University of Rizal System, and Princess Sartiga from the University of Manila, Sarlene Uy from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Maria Bulacan Campus, Daniela Pareño, which nasa Zoom link, is from Rizal Technological University, Boni, Jezabel Langora from DFCAM-CLP, Chriselle Goteher from Tomas Claudio Colleges. We also have Kathleen Pereira from San Sebastian College, Javi Abersaldo from Dr. Pelemon C. Aguilar Memorial College, Las Piñas Campus. Ayan, may classmate pala si Jezabel. And then we have Renalyn De Rosales from Baras Pinugay Integrated High School, Renalyn Bolivar from Bulacan Polytechnic College, Andre Sandag from Jose Rizal University, and Ken Selawas from Heaven of Wisdom Academy. And we also have Mon from National University Manila, and Jay Pardillo from Mindanao State University. Actually, meron pang humabol, which is EJ Boy Pinote from Our Lady of Fatima University, and Ruby Lorely Amora from University of the Philippines, Visayas, and Jonathan Secondo Bicad from Cagayan Valley College of Information Technology College. Ayan. So again, guys, early congratulations na agad sa mananalo. Ayan. And okay, here are the new quiz mechanics. Are you ready? Okay, let's check muna yung mga chat ninyo before we start the quiz mechanics. So sabi ni Christopher, saan po magsasagot this time? Ayan. Sa Accounting Upgrade website po. Explain ko mamaya kung paano yung magsagot sa Accounting Upgrade website. Hi RG. Ayan. Cancel, sir, nag-leave po ako sa Zoom kasi nadodoble po yung sinasabi. Okay lang, cancel. Okay. RG, saan po yung registration, sir? Sinashare namin RG sa Facebook and YouTube. But okay lang naman na hindi ka mag-register because nag-register ka na last time. Christopher, para po magsagot doon. Explain ko po mamaya. Ilang questions po ulit, cancel. Ngayon is 11 pero naglagay lang ako ng additional na sub-questions. Pero yung total siya actually 11. Actually magiging 14 siya. May sub-question kasi pero naman hindi magkakalayo yung tanong. Ayan. Okay? I think we can start na, guys. All right. Let's go back to the slide. So here are the quiz mechanics. So the questions will be answered on the accountingupgrade.com website. So all answers will be automatically checked and will be given a corresponding point for each answer. And a timer will be set to answer each question. And if ever there is a tiebreaker, so I will explain yung another quiz mechanic para sa magta-tiebreak. So after the round or after the quiz, malalaman na agad natin yung result. Okay? So from last time, meron tayong top 5 na nagsagot, ngayon wala. Kung lahat is i-check natin yung answer. Okay? Ayan. So let me open lang yung accountingupgrade.com website para makita ninyo yung website. Ito yung ginamit natin actually nung first round. So here's the website. Ayan. So ngayon, tingnan natin yung previous na exam for the first accounting quiz show. Ayan. So nung first accounting quiz show, ito yung mangyayari. So click nyo yung start and then enter kayo ng username, for example, cancel. Enter nyo yung email ninyo, cancel. Sample ko na lang pala yung sarili ko, sorry. And then enter ko yung email ko, info@accountingupgrade.com, and then phone number 091909595505. And then ito na yung kung saan tayo magsasagot. So after each question, masagot lang kayo dito and then makikita nyo na yung sunod na sasagutan. So after clicking nung next, makakapunta na kayo sa sunod na question. So after nun, malalaman natin after the end ng round kung sino yung panalo. Dito rin sa website na to, or pwede kong i-generate through Excel yung lahat ng result. Okay? Questions? Questions, guys. Questions. Daniela, do you have a question?
Sir, wala po.
All right. No question from Daniela. Cancel. Question. Let's see kung may question pa before we start. Yeah.
Sir, paulit. Paulit tapos.
Ulitin natin. Alin yan, Christopher?
Sa
A link. Yan. Sige, i-share ko ulit yung link. For a while, please. Let me share the link. So, ito yung gagamitin natin na link. Chat ko ulit, ha? Ayan. So, ito yung page. Makikita nyo dun sa page na blanco pa siya. Bakit? Kasi para sabay-sabay tayo mag-start. Ayan. Can you check na guys yung page? Okay. I think na-check na, no? Ayan. So, ito yung page. So, hindi ko pa nilalagay yung ano, yung interface para magsagot. Pero once you are ready, i-activate ko na yung software para malagay na yung ano, yung part na makakasagot kayo. Okay? So, are you ready? Any questions, guys, before we start? Hi, Chriselle. Welcome to this Zoom link. Okay, I think wala na question, no? Let's start, guys. Teka lang, may chat dito sa Zoom. May chat. Sir, pasend din po sa amin ang link. Ito po yung link. Ayan. So, when you go sa link, pwede na kayong mag-click ng start and mag-register. Pero wag muna kayong magsagot ng ano, ng question kasi hindi na kayo makakabalik. Okay? So, let me know kung naka-register na kayo. Janet, hindi po sa Zoom mag-a-answer dito sa link ng accountingupgrade.com website. Yan. I-share ko ulit yung link ng accountingupgrade.com. Yan. Diyan kayo magsasagot. So ngayon, i-activate ko na guys yung link. Okay. No questions na ba? Hindi sa Zoom, Janet, ha? Wala na ba kayong question? Question. Cancel hindi konti. Dagdagan natin. Mga 14 yun. Ito na. Ina-activate ko na. Wait lang. Nagalong internet ko? Wait lang. Ayan. I think ready na si Kenzel. Nagmamadali na siya. Ready nang manalo. Okay na, Janet? Okay na, Janet? No questions na, Janet? Activated na po yung link. Kindly refresh na lang yung ano, yung website. Okay? Ayan. Alright. So ready na kayo, guys. Pwede na kayo mag-click start and then mag-register na kayo ng ano, username and then email and number. Alright? Ayan. Alright. I think we're ready na, guys. So here we are on question number 1. By the way, meron pala tayong naiwan na ano, na categories para dun sa mga bago. Ayan. Meron kasi mga newcomers. Ayan. So for the easy level, we have true or false, and then average level, multiple choices, and then difficult level, which is identification. And then for the easy level, 1 point, and the average level, 2 points, and the difficult level, 3 points. Ayan. Kenzel, okay na? Sir, pindutin na po yung date. Date start. Start. Okay. Okay na? Wala na kayong question, guys? Okay na, Kenzel. Naka-register na kayo? Naka-register na kayo, guys? Ano, pwede na tayo mag-start? Sure na? Let's wait for a while. Meron pa nagtatanong. Meron pa pong nagtatanong. Okay na ba? I think okay na, no? Hops, si Chriselle. Andito, Chriselle, yung link. Sinat ko ulit dito sa Zoom. Ayan. So, okay na. Sir, saan pipindutin sa website? Dito, Mia, sa link na to. Ayan. So same dito sa ginawa natin ng first accounting quiz show. Ginamit natin itong accounting upgrade the website. Ang cons lang kasi nung ginagawa natin last time, yung mga previous quiz show natin, is nalilimit yung sagot ng iba, which is hindi natin na-account. For example, yung pinakauna lang na sumagot, yun lang yung nabibigyan natin ng answer. Or yung pinaka 5 lang na sumagot, yun lang yung nabibigyan natin ng point. So this time, lahat natin bibigyan ng points para fair siya sa lahat. Okay? So I think we're ready na, guys, since wala nang nagtatanong. So let's go to the question number 1. Question number 1 on the easy level. True or false? Number 1, the statement of retained earnings is required based on IAS 1 presentation of financial statements and is normally divided into 2 major sections. Letter A, appropriated, shows the beginning balance of appropriated retained earnings account additions or deduction during the period and ending balance. And B, unappropriated, shows the beginning balance of the retained earnings and appropriated account, correction of prior period error, profit or loss for the period, dividends, transfers to and from appropriated and unappropriated account, and the ending balance. So the question number 1 is true or false. So let me know, guys, if you're already fine with question number 1, since baka nag-a-adjust pa kayo sa website. Okay? So the question number 1 is true or false, but since it is your first time to use the website, baka nanibago pa kayo sa registration. Okay? So let me know in the chat box if you're already okay. So no comment. So I think we're all fine. How are you, Mia? Monha, we are using the website of accountingupgrade.com. Ayan. We are using the website po ng accountingupgrade.com. Monha. Doon po palagay yung sagot. Okay, okay na daw si Chriselle. Okay, so let me know, guys, if you are already fine. Okay na si Chriselle, naka-adjust na sa ating website. So I think, can we go to question number 2? Ayan. Okay na daw si Mona. Humahabol. Ayan. Question number 2. No questions na sa question number 1, ha? And I think all set na regarding sa how to use the website. Question number 2. By the way, guys, later na natin malalaman yung sagot since malalaman ko lang yung final na mga answers nyo after the end na ng quiz. So this is different from last time na sinasabi ko yung yung mga tamang sagot and kung sino yung tumama. This time, malalaman lang natin after ng quiz. Anyways, discuss ko naman isa-isa yung yung mga answers kung bakit naging ganun. Okay? So question number 2. Kenzel received $5,000 from Princess, the fee for his professional service for the prior man. John is a neighbor, a classmate, and a longtime friend of Princess and has a secret crush on her. Princess feels the same way too. Recording the transaction this month would result to cash being debited and service income to be credited. True or false? Ayan. True or false, guys? Let me know if you are already fine so that we can proceed to question number 3. So naka-receive daw si Cancel ng $5,000 from Princess. So hindi lang natin sure kung anong professional service ba ito. Maybe Cancel is a lawyer or an actor or an accountant. Ayan. So question number 2. Are you already fine, guys? So that we can proceed to question number 3. Ayan. I think we're already fine na. So let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 on the easy round. True or false? Ay, bumalik. Sorry. Bumalik siya. Question number 3. In a general partnership, whose partnership provides for an interest on partners' capital balances and which incurs a net loss, the interest provision of the contract should be rescinded. True or false? Ayan. Basic accounting pa rin to, guys. Nasa dulo ito ng discussion of the basic accounting. So we're not going outside the scope. Okay? So in a general partnership whose partnership provides for an interest on partners' capital balances and which incurs a net loss, the interest provision of the contract should be rescinded. Kumustahin natin ang mga nasa Zoom link? How are you, Christopher? Are you done already? You can share your camera, guys, ha? Since kayo naman yung panalo last time. Christopher, RG, Daniela. Ayan. Yes. Rochelle. Feel free to ask question. Okay. I think we're already fine with question number 3. Ayan. Early congratulations, guys. Janet, mag-reconnect ako. Ayan. We are on the question number 3 na Janet, which is true or false. Ayan. Are you ready, guys, for the question number 4? Okay, question number 4. A partner by estoppel refers to a person who is not technically a partner but can still be held liable as one for any debts or damages incurred by a business or owed to a third party. Therefore, if you're unknowingly involved in a partnership and there is a dispute over the business, then you can be held legally responsible for the actions of the other partners. This is also known as a general partner. True or false? Question number 4. Janet, nasa multiple choice na yung sa akin, sir. Allah, nag-advance ka na. We are still on the question number 4. Question number 4. Tama ba, Janet? Nasa question number 4 ka na or question number 5 ka na? Ayan. So let me know, guys, if you're already fine with question number 4, so we can proceed na to question number 5. Okay? Ayan. Hi RG, parang kasali ka sa National Academics League. Ano yan? Lasinaya.
Yung ano sir, current ano po, sa NFGP po ngayon, National League po.
Sa JPA, National.
Ongoing po yung
Very
event.
good. Okay. So, are you ready for the question number 5, guys? Question number 5 on the average level. So, which of the following errors would cause unequal totals in the trial balance? Letter A, the company records a 28,000 advance payment from the customer into 2,000 pesos cash and 26,000 pesos to revenue. Letter B, the company forgot to enter the cost of 30,000 pesos machine purchased this month. Letter C, the company prepared an adjusting entry debiting cash and accounts receivable amounting to 28,000 pesos. And letter D, 40,000 prior period error was corrected this year by the company. So the question is, which of the following errors would cause unequal totals in the trial balance? Ayan. So question number 5 is a multiple choice question and has a 2 points. So since it is on the average level, 2 points na tayo, guys. So don't miss to make this question correct. Okay? Any question or any comment regarding sa bilis? Mabilis ba yung yung discussion natin? Or okay lang? So no comments. So I think we're doing fine. All right. Are you ready for the next question? Sakto lang po, sir. Mga. Ayun. Sakto lang. Okay. So question number 5 is already good, I think. And nakalipat na kayo sa sa accountingupgrade.com website. Last time kasi ang naging challenge natin nung first accounting quiz show is masyado daw mahirap lumipat sa website and going to this sa YouTube. So parang masyadong mabilis yung transition. So ang nangyari dun sa iba, hindi nila napapakinggan yung yung question ng buo. Since nag-a-answer pa sila, nag-i-start na daw akong magbasa ng question ulit. Okay? Ayan. Hi, Miss Che. Ayan, sakto lang po. Okay. Question number 6. The periodic inventory system is used commonly on letter A, low price, low volume merchandise. Letter B, low price, high volume merchandise. Letter C, high price, high volume merchandise. And letter D, high price, low volume merchandise. Okay, so the question is, the periodic inventory system is used commonly on. Okay, so let me know again, guys, if you're already fine with question number 6. So since it is a 2 points question, so may pag-asa pa kayong manalo. Okay? And of course, since hindi natin alam kung sino na yung mga tumama, wag bibitiw, guys. Hello, Miss Che. We are using, Miss Che, yung accountingupgrade.com website. I share again yung link. Baka manalo ka and makahabol ka pa. Baka makahabol ka pa and manalo ka pa. Sorry, baliktad. So we have a chat here. Humihinga pa, sir. Done po number 1. Ayan, Christopher. Humihinga pa daw, pero magaling to sa accounting si Christopher. Yes po, okay lang po. Okay. Ayan. So we are at the question number 6, which is the periodic inventory system is used commonly on. Ayan. Monha, pahiram po ng utak niyo, Sir Christopher. Okay. I think we can go now to question number 7. Question number 7. Marites Corporation, a tycoon, sold machine inventories last March 31, 2022 to Leonardo amounting to 900 million pesos on the condition that it will be paid in full on April 30, 2022. Marites has rejected an alternative offer from Andre amounting to 890 million pesos by paying cash. The prevailing annual interest rate is 5%. How much is the revenue and interest income to be recognized for April 2022? So again guys, this is a 2-point question. So wag bibitiw, may pag-asa pa. Okay, letter A, 890 million pesos, comma, 500,000 pesos. So letter B, 890 million pesos revenue and 41,667,000 interest income. And letter C, 900 million pesos revenue and 0 interest income. And letter D, 900 million pesos revenue and 41,667 pesos interest income. So again, so Marites is a tycoon and they sold machine inventories last March 31, 2022, which amounts to 900 million on the condition that it will be paid in full on April 30, 2022. Ayan. Basic yan kay Christopher. Okay. So I think, let me know guys if you're already fine with the question number 7. Don't overthink. Ayan. Sa board exam, medyo maraming medyo maraming statement na hindi naman kailangan. Ayan. So question number 7, how much is the revenue and interest income to be recognized for April 2022? Any question guys? Or okay na ba lahat? I think wala nang question, no? Everyone is silent and no comment on the chat box. Siguro madali lang ang questions. Kaya no comment na sila. Okay. I think we can go na to question number 8. Question number 8. Are you ready? Question number 8. Wait lang. Baka busy pa sila sa pag-compute. Okay? So the question is, how much is the revenue and interest income to be recognized for April 2022? Sabi ni Christopher, push sir. Alam ko madali lang yan sa'yo, Christopher. Ayan. So I think we can go now to question number 8 since wala nang nagko-comment. Question number 8, guys. Kathleen Corporation, which has an issued 10 million ordinary shares of its stock, has made a number of disconcerting disclosures to the Philippine Stock Exchange or PSE, which includes its compliance with the 10% minimum public ownership rule, capital call via private placement to its major shareholders, and rights offering to minority shareholders. On December 31, 2013, it has total assets of 90 million pesos with an inventory of 5 million pesos, cash of 13 million pesos, fixed assets of 40 million pesos, accounts payable of 10 million pesos, total shareholders' equity of 50 million pesos, and retirement benefit obligation of 5 million pesos. So the question is, how much is Kathleen's book value per share? Again, guys, wag masyado mag-overthink because nag-a-add lang ako ng mga information which I will discuss habang hinihintay ko kayo magsagot. Okay? So letter A is 9 pesos book value per share. Letter B is 5 pesos book value per share. And letter C is 0.5 pesos book value per share. And letter D, none of the above. Okay. So by the way, this issue regarding the number of disconcerting disclosures pertain to Alpaland Corporation. Ayan. So it is an actual issue. Pinalitan ko lang ng pangalan na Catin Corporation. Ayan. But as of now, yung Alpaland is not listed na sa PSE because of these disclosures. Ayan. Okay? So merong comments sa Zoom. Hirap nga po eh. GG sa corp. Ayan. Basic lang yan kay Christopher. Okay? So the question is, how much is Kathleen's book value per share? How much is Kathleen's book value per share? Any comment, guys? Or mabilis ba yung mention natin ng question? Or do I need to slow down? Okay? Dahil walang comment or walang tanong sa chat box, I think we can now go to question number 9. Or I read again yung question. Okay, let me read again the question for the benefit of all. And baka kasi nag-a-answer pa kayo sa website. Okay? So Kathleen Corporation, which has an issued 10 million ordinary shares of stock, has made a number of disconcerting disclosures to the Philippine Stock Exchange, which includes its compliance with the 10% minimum public ownership rule. So by the way, guys, there's a 10% minimum public float required, and it depends on the stock exchange. For the Philippines, there's a 10% required, but as far as I know, they can change it depending on PSE. For other countries, meron din silang required na public ownership rule. Okay? Capital call via private placement to its major shareholders and rights offering to minority shareholders. So by the way, itong issue na to, itong case study na to, ang nangyari kasi dito, ang disclosure ni Alpaland is distressed daw si Alpaland. Yan. So they made a capital call via private placement. Okay? So the question is, how much is Kathleen's book value per share? I think okay na tayo, guys, no? Wala nang nag-comment. Ayan. So question number 9. Difficult level, identification. So by the way, let me refresh you guys that this difficult level is 3 points. So kung may namaliman kayo or may hindi kayo sure sa mga previous questions, meron pang pag-asa for the difficult level. Ayan. So for question number 9. Partnerships are classified according to object, liability, duration, purpose, and legality of existence. So this classification of partnership according to object states that all the partners may acquire either by their industry or work during the existence of partnership and the use of whatever the partners contributed at the time of the institution of the contract belongs to the partnership. So the question number 9 is identification. What is the classification of partnership this statement is referring to? Okay, question number 9. Ayan, no comment pa rin. Basic pa rin kay Monha ang mga tanong. And basic pa rin kay Mia ang mga tanong. Ayan, dahil no comment si Mia. Sino kaya ang sunod na magiging top notcher ng board? Sana kasali natin ngayon na magiging top notcher ng board. Baka si Chriselle na. Ayan. Okay, question number 9. I think we're fine na, guys. Kasi no question asked na. Okay? Nakakasunod ba, guys, sa Accounting Upgrade website? Ayan. So no question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is 3 points again and computation siya. Ayan. So the question number 10 is the trial balance of Jade Corporation included the following accounts at December 31, 2021. accounts payable, which is a regular term of 180 days, amounting to 900,000 pesos, bonds payable due June 30, 2022, amounting to 1 million pesos, discount on bonds payable due June 30, 2022, amounting to 500,000 pesos, and dividends payable as of December 31, 2021, the company has no sufficient cash to pay the dividends payable due to unmet forecast by December 2021, amounting to 200,000 pesos, and notes payable due June 30, 2023, amounting to 100,000 pesos. So the company has an attitude of delaying some payments to suppliers, and they can settle the accounts payable after more than 1 year just to meet the overall forecast. Ayan, meron mga company talaga na ganyan, no? The company forecast to hold at least 200,000 pesos of the payables by stiffening the review of vendor documents if the overall forecasts were not met. Those documents which do not pass the review will be returned to the vendors. So the question is, how much is the current liabilities as of December 31, 2021? Ayan. Gerardo, okay na po. Uy, okay ka na sa number 10 or sa question number na ito? Ayan. Basic ang question number 10 kay Gerardo. Okay, let me read again the question number 10. So ang hinahanap natin is how much is the current liabilities as of December 31, 2021. Accounts payable, which is a regular term of 180 days, amounting to 900,000 pesos. Bonds payable, which is 1 million pesos, and due June 30, 2022. Discount on bonds payable, which is due June 30, 2022 also, amounting to 500,000 pesos, and dividends payable, which the company has no sufficient cash to pay the dividends, amounting to 200,000 pesos, and notes payable amounting to 100,000 pesos, but is due June 30, 2023. Okay. So no questions asked on the Zoom link and sa YouTube. Sir, cancel. Ano po ba yung statement na included sa following accounts at December 31, 20? Ano yun? Ano yung question? Cancel. Ano yung year po yung nasa taas? 2021 po yung nasa taas. Sorry, natakpan pala, no? 2021 po yung nasa taas. So the trial balance of Jade Corporation included the following accounts at December 31, 2021. Natatakpan po kasi ng picture. Sinadya kong takpan yan para iba yung makumpit nyo. Joke. Okay, 2021 po. Chat ko. And so by the way guys, meron talaga ganitong client sa actual. Meron talaga nagdi-delay ng collection. Though I will not drop yung name ng mga vendors and customers na hindi agad nagbabayad. Pero maraming ganyan. Okay. So I think we are ready na for question number 11. So any comment guys, or you're still checking on your computation? Okay. So meron na lang tayong 1 or 2 questions. And mag-e-end na po yung ating 5th accounting quiz show. So wag kayong bibitiw guys. And malalaman agad natin kung sino ang nanalo dito sa ating 5th accounting quiz show. So okay na si Gerardo. Ayan, basic. Basic kay Gerardo. So tanungin natin si Christopher. Christopher, okay ka na ba? Christopher, how are you? Okay ka na ba? Daniela. Hi, Daniela. Ayan. Medyo busy sila sa pagsagot siguro, kaya hindi sila nagpaparamdam. Anyways, we are joined by RG, Daniela, Trishelle, and Christopher dito sa ating Zoom. Ayan. Sabi ni Monha, congrats po agad sa mananalo. Sabi ni Kensel, hanggang ilang questions po ulit? Last question na yata itong sunod. Pero meron pa siyang meron siyang sub-question. So don't worry. Hanggang up to 14 yung yung question natin. Okay? I think we can go now to question number 11. All right? No comment na and no questions na rin. Go Kuya RG. Yes, may taga-cheer si RG. Question number 11. Ito na guys, magkakaalaman na. So question number 11 is J Corporation has the following adjusted trial balance on December 31, 2021. Cash amounting to 1.6 million pesos. Receivables from other customers, net amounting to 1 million pesos. Cost in excess of billings on long-term contracts amounting to 800,000 pesos. Billings in excess of billings on long-term contracts. Billings in excess of cost on long-term contracts. And then prepaid rent amounting to 100,000 pesos. Accounts payable amounting to 400,000 pesos. Share capital amounting to 900,000 pesos. Share premium amounting to 200,000 pesos. Retained earnings unappropriated amounting to 400,000 pesos. Retained earnings appropriated for expansion amounting to 100,000 pesos. Earnings from long-term contracts amounting to 1.7 million pesos. Costs and expenses amounting to 500,000 pesos. So Create Law provides an income tax rate of 20% for this corporation. J is using percentage of completion method. So the question is, for number 11, how much is the retained earnings as of December 31, 2021? Ayan. Okay. So let me repeat guys yung problem. So cash amounts to 1.6 million pesos. Receivables amounts to 1 million pesos. Cost in excess of billings amounting to 800,000 pesos. Billings in excess of costs on long-term contracts amounting to 300,000 pesos. Prepaid rent amounting to 100,000 pesos. Accounts payable amounting to 400,000 pesos. Share capital amounting to 900,000 pesos. Share premium amounting to 200,000 pesos. Retained earnings amounting to 400,000 pesos. And retained earnings appropriated for expansion amounting to 100,000 pesos. And earnings from long-term contracts amounting to 1.7 million pesos. And cost and expenses amounting to 500,000 pesos. So the question again is, how much is the retained earnings as of December 31, 2021? Ayan. Congrats sa mananalo guys, sabi ni Janet. Baka ikaw, Janet, ang manalo ha. Congrats agad sa'yo. By the way, related yung question number 12, 13, and 14 dito sa statement na binasa natin kanina. Okay? So the question number 12, basahin ko na rin since wala naman nagko-comment, baka tapos na or baka naiinip na yung iba. So the question number 12 is, how much are the non-current liabilities? Cancel. Sir, natatakpan po yung number 14. Sige, labas natin. And basahin ko muna yung number 13. So number 13 is how much are the non-current assets? And number 14, tanggalin ko siguro yung yung presentation. Escape natin yung presentation. Yan. In order to qualify for the 20% income tax rate, the net income of the company shall not exceed by how much? Ayan. So yan po yung ating question number 14. in order to qualify for the 20% income tax rate, the net income of the company shall not exceed by how much? Ayan. So by the way, guys, I am pertaining to the create law. So hindi na siya 30%. So it is already at 20% for this corporation. Okay? So the question is, in order to qualify for the 20% income tax rate, the net income of the company shall not exceed by how much? And sorry guys, dahil meron tayong isang question na nag-out of scope. But anyways, alam ko naman na alam niyo yung question number 14. So, I'm not worrying, guys. Questions, comments, suggestions, violent reactions. Go Kuya RG. Trotropahin. Sir, naputol po sa number 14. Yes, nakita na natin kanina. Okay. Meron pa bang hindi tapos, guys? Or we can check na yung yung quiz. So question number 14 and question number 13, 12, and 11 is all related to this statement. Nagko-compute pa po si Kensel. Sir, wag po muna. Sige. Sige lang. Medyo mabilis yata. Okay. Di po makita, Daniela. Hala, yung 14 po. Pakita ulit po natin. So yung question, oops. Sorry. Balik natin. So yung question number 14 po is in order to qualify for the 20% income tax rate, the net income of the company shall not exceed by how much? Ayan. So ang 11 po is how much is the retained earnings? And number 12 po is how much are the non-current liabilities? And number 13 po is how much are the non-current assets? Okay. Let's wait, guys, for Kensel and Janet and everyone else. Ayan. May sumuko na yata dahil nabawasan na yung nanonood sa ating YouTube channel. Kaya nyo yan, guys. Take this as a challenge kasi medyo mahirap din talaga yung board exam. Merong mga questions na out of scope. Ayan. Hala, naiyak si Kensel. Kaya mo yan, Kensel. Ayan. Si Mia hindi nagre-react pero alam ko may sagot na yan. Mia, how are you? Okay. So let me know, guys, if you're already fine with question number 11 to 14. RG, pag wala na, pasa na agad. Hahaha, iyak na lang agad. Daniela, mas mahirap pa to sa finals ko, sir. Kasi last time may nag-react. Madali daw yung question. So ngayon, binago natin yung question. Madali daw yung question natin last time. Ayan. So medyo nilagyan natin ng konting twist ngayon. So by the way, yung mga twist naman is additional info lang. Hindi, mas madali yung board exam. Usually may mga plain questions sa board exam. Hindi sila masyado nag-add ng maraming details. Although mayroong ibang question din naman na medyo overloading ng details na hindi naman relevant. Pero depende siguro dun sa sa gumagawa ng exam. Kung ano yung trip nila by that time. Minsan merong maikli, minsan merong mahaba. Ayan. Okay? So wala na po bang question regarding 11 to 15 or lahat na po ba is tapos? So we can go na to checking yung ating result ng 5th accounting quiz show. And baka nagugutom na kayo. Ayan. Baka gusto nyo na mag-dinner para matapos na po tayo. Alright. Wala na po bang comment? So I think, sabi ni Chriselle, yung score ko parang score lang sa quiz namin lagi. Ala, ano po ba yung score nyo sa quiz nyo lagi? Okay, I think we can go now to the checking round. Bagsak, haha. We, baka ikaw panalo, Chriselle, ah. Alright, I think we can go now to checking itong 5th accounting quiz show since wala nang nagko-comment. And mukhang tapos na si Mia. Congrats po agad sa nanalo. Ayan. Let's check na, guys. So I will just download for a while habang hinihintay ko yung mga final na nagsasagot pa. So I will download now yung result sa website. So let me just share it for a while. Baka may pahabol pa na question. So let's just check on the chat box. Okay? But right now, I am downloading na yung result. So you need to submit na yung final answer nyo, guys. So once I downloaded it, i-export ko na siya sa Excel and yun na yung babasahin natin na final answer ninyo. Okay? So kung hindi kayo magsasubmit, baka hindi po masama yung yung result ninyo sa quiz. Okay? Ang hirap, sir, tapos per question pa. Sorry, Mia. Ready na po bumagsak, sabi ni Kenzel. We? Baka naman basic lang sa ito, Mia. Okay. So I will now extract po yung yung result. And once I extracted na yung result, wala na pong makakahabol na result. So are you ready, guys, or may hahabol pa na na answer? Sir, naalala ko po tuloy yung midterm exam namin ng last week, 1-page problem. Consolidated FS po. Lagot. Yun yung medyo mahirap pag mga long-term problem. Actually, meron ganun din sa mga board exam eh. Yung yung consolidated talaga na connected yung mga question sa another question. And yun, pag nagkamali ka sa isang question, mali na rin most likely yung yung mga other answers mo. Ayan. Sa actual board exam, meron ganun. Just to share with you. Okay, since wala na po nagko-comments, I will export na yung answer para ma-check natin. Yan. Okay, I have exported it and I will share it to you for a while. But before that, no comment Sino bang mahabol? Congrats po sa nanalo, sabi ni Daniela. Baka ikaw, Daniela, ang nanalo. So I think we can go back now to the question number 1. Ayan. I-hide ko lang, guys, yung mga details ninyo para hindi siya lumabas sa result. Okay? So let's go to question number 1 para malaman natin yung mga tamang sagot. Sayang kasi kung hindi natin na-explain. Ayan. So question number 1. Sorry, napasobra. Question number 1 is false. Bakit? Kasi hindi po required ang statement of retained earnings according to IAS 1. So yung letter A and letter B, yun po yung exact na description ng appropriated and unappropriated na sections ng statement of retained earnings. Okay? So by the way, guys, marami namang tumama for the question number 1. Ayan. Tumama si Cancel. Isa lang pala, sorry. Si Cancel lang po ang tumama sa question number 1. Very good, Cancel. Question number 2. So question number 2 po is medyo marami lang paligoy-ligoy. Pero ang sagot po is false. Because prior month and ang tanong po natin is this month. Ayan. So since it is a this month, receivable na po yung i-credit natin. Hindi na yung revenue. Okay? Question number 3. By the way, question number 2, ang tumama po is si... Sinong tumama? Ala, wala pong tumama for question number 2. Nalililang ko kayo. Question number 3. In a general partnership whose partnership provides for an interest, ito po is false. Dahil dapat kahit na lost na, i-enforce pa rin yung interest. Grabe yung question number 2, ganun pala. Ayan. So ang tumama po sa question number 3 is si, marami po, si Ruby, sino tong INRD 11? Ayan. And si Cancel, tama din. Si Chriselle, and si Rodaisa. Okay? Question number 4. Mia, where's your result? Siguro di ka nakasubmit, no? Let me check lang. Okay. Okay. So question number 4. So sino po ang tama sa question number 4? Question number 4 is a partnership by Estopel. Ano po ang partnership by Estopel? Nominal partner po. Nominal partner po yung yung partner by Estopel, not a general partner. Ayan. So sino po ang tumama sa question number 4? Sino nga ba? Walang nagbo-volunteer, walang nag-claim. Sinong tumama sa question number 4? Wala po nag-claim. Basahin ko na lang po kung sino tumama sa question number 4. So actually marami pong tama. Si Ruby, tama siya. And then si JV, Jessa, and Rodaisa. Sino si INRD 11? Hindi ko po kasi ma-distinguish kung sino siya. Ayan. Okay. Question number 4 po is false. Question number 5. So ang question number 5 po is letter A. Hindi po siya magbabalanse. Kapag dinebit mo ang cash and credit mo ang revenue, hindi po siya balanse. Meron ka pong difference na 24,000. Okay? Okay. Question number 5, guys. Question number 6. The periodic inventory system is used commonly on, letter B po ang sagot, low price, high volume merchandise. Yan. May nananalo na po. Sinong nananalo na? Actually, lahat tumama sa question number 5. Very good, guys. Question number 7. Sir, pasabi na lang po every number kung sino po yung tatama. Don't worry, i-represent ko yung yung answer. Okay? Question number 7. How much is the revenue and interest income to be recognized for April 2022? So pampagulo lang po yung other statement. So since it is a sale, 900 million pesos po yung revenue. And since wala namang na-mention na kailangan ng interest rate, zero lang po yung interest income. So ang answer po is letter C for question number 7. So question number 7, ang tumama po is si INRD 11. Nagtatago sa pangalang INRD 11 na makikilala natin mamaya siguro. Si Kenzel, si JB, and si Chriselle. Ayan. And also si Jessa. Question number 8.
Ay, sir, may tanong ako sa question 7.
Ano yan?
May tanong po ako sa question 7.
Ayan, sige, sige. Ay, marami pala tayong comments sa, sa chat box.
Hindi ba siya, sir, void question? Kasi ang tinatanong ay, kung monthly to, sir, dapat ang revenue ay recognized during March 2022.
Sorry, medyo nagcha-choppy no. Hindi masyadong marinig yung question mo.
Ay,
Ayan.
dinig na po ako, sir.
Naririnig ko naman kaya lang medyo choppy kasi siya napuputol.
Chat ka na lang po.
Sige, sige. Ayan. So basahin ko lang yung mga chat dito sa sa chat box. So yung akin din po pero yung name ko po hindi po ba nag-reflect? Bakit nga ba hindi nag-reflect? Na-refresh ko naman. Quiz, Tame Cabaldo. Kaso po ang name, wala. Ako sir, finding my name. Kaya lang nag-check na po tayo ng exam. Sorry guys. Actually nakatatlong nakatatlong download na ako nung result. Ayan. So anyways, let's proceed na guys to question number 8. The question number 8. So Kathleen's book value per share. So ang tamang sagot po sa question number 8 is letter B, 5 pesos. Bakit po? Kasi ito po yung natin, shareholders equity which is 50 million pesos and ordinary shares na 10 million in count. Okay? So the book value is 5 pesos per share. So ang tumama po sa question number 8 is si Ruby and ang nagtatagong pangalan na INRD, JB, and Jessa, and Rodaisa. Ayan. So question number 9. By the way, balikan natin si RG. May tanong siya. Hindi po ba mali ang question kasi ang tanong ay April 2022, March siya binenta? Alin po yun? Question number, ano po yung nire-refer ninyo? Balikan natin ang question ni RG. Anong question nga ba? Ang tanong ni RG. Balikan lang natin guys. Ito. Last March. Last March 31, 2022. On the condition that it will be paid in full. Okay. So mali pala yung nalagay ko na tanong. No? April pala yung nalagay ko ng tanong. Sorry guys. Sorry. Nagkamali ng tanong. Ayan. Tama po ang point ni RG. So I think RG, may bonus ka na 1 point. 2 points pala to. Ayan. Sige, baguhin natin yung tally for question number 7. Very good, RG. And thank you for that point. Ayan. So question number, ano tayo guys? Sorry, naghahang po tayo. Question number... Wait lang guys kasi loading yung yung screen. Question number 10. So partnerships are classified according to object liability, duration, purpose, and legality of existence. So itong partnership po, ang sagot ay universal partnership of profits. Ayan. So for question number 10, ang tama po is sinong tama? Question number 9 pa lang pala, sorry. Tama po si Ruby, si INRD 11, Hindi, mali po, sorry. Si Daniela. Kaya lang kulang pala, sorry. Mali po. Universal partnership po ng profits. So ang tama po is si Ruby. Question number 10. Okay, question number 10. The trial balance of Jade Corporation included the following accounts at December 31, 2021. So how much is the current liabilities? Ang sagot po sa number 10 is 1.6 million pesos. So 900,000 pesos accounts payable plus 1 million pesos in bonds less 500,000 pesos plus 100,000 pesos. Yan. Plus 200,000 pesos pala. Yan. Okay? So it's 1.6 million pesos. Okay? Question number 11. By the way, sino ang tumama sa question number 10? Question number 10, si Kenzel. Yan. Si JP. And si Jessa. So don't worry guys, meron namang timestamp yung result. So I'll check later yung mga hindi nasama na pangalan dito. So I'll review later yung mga hindi nasama para ma-check pa rin natin. So if ever merong nanalo dun sa mga hindi sumama, we will give additional winner for this event. So kung nanalo is isa doon sa mga hindi nasama dito, gagawin nating dalawa yung winner. Okay? So don't worry kung hindi ko na-mention yung pangalan ninyo. Question number 11. Let's go to question number 11. So ang sagot po sa question number 11 is 400,000 plus 100,000 plus 1.7 million less 500,000. Yun po yung answer sa question number 11, which is 2.7 million pesos. And ang mga tama for question number 11 is the wala pong tumama. Okay? And for question number 12, wala pong non-current. Walang non-current liabilities and wala ring non-current assets. RG, sir, tama ako pero hindi nalabas name ko. I-recheck ko later, RG, kung bakit hindi lumalabas yung name mo. And for the question number 14, ayan, may mga tumama po sa question number 14 na mahilig magbasa ng tax, which is si INRD, si Kenzel, si JB, and si Jessa. Okay? So again, congrats guys, and let me share to you yung generated answers sa website. So let me share it for a while. Okay? So here is the result. Can you see guys? So based on this, ang ating winner is si reveal natin ang winner for this event. Ayan. We have 56.67 points kay Ruby, 50 points kay INRD, 46.67% kay Kenzel, 23.33% kay Daniela, 70 points kay JB, Chriselle 16.67, Jessa 70, and Rodaisa 30. Ayan. So far po, ang highest score na meron dito is 70, which is JB. Ayan. So congrats JB. And kung meron man pong difference dun sa ma-export ko na result later, I will just post na lang sa website and sa YouTube channel and Facebook. Okay? So again, congrats JB. Ayan. Very good JB. You have 70 points. And now guys, hindi natin makakalimutan yung mga nag-invite for this event. Okay? So let me share lang yung kung sino yung mga nag-invite. So Ruby, sino po nag-invite sa'yo? Si Kenzel, no? Kenzel. So si Mysterious INRD, sino po ito? Si Leonardo. Ayan. Sino nag-invite sa'yo, Leonard? Okay? Sino nag-invite sa'yo, Leonard? Nawala yung sagot mo, Christopher. Anong nangyari? Hindi ka siguro nag-submit.
Nag-pass.
JV. Ayan. Cancel. Sino nag-invite sa'yo? Si Christopher. Daniela.
Same din sa akin.
Daniela is bago po natin kasali and wala sa kanya nag-invite. JV, sino nag-invite sa'yo? Ruby, si Cancel po. Ayan. Christiel, wala po nag-invite kay Christiel, no? Jessa and Rodaisa. Wala po nag-invite. Ayan. Cancel, wala po nag-invite. O wala pala nag-invite kay Cancel. Sorry, wrong guess. Ayan. So, Mia, sino nag-invite sa'yo? Chrono. Sino si Chrono? Sorry, wala po kayo sa lista, pero add ko po kayo dito. Hanapin ko yung result nyo later. Si Jessa, 70 points din pala, no? Ayan. Sorry guys, since medyo late na, wag na tayong mag tie-breaking question. I-declare na natin na winner si JB and Jessa. Ayan. Okay? So, si Chrono, si JB po ang nag-invite. Si JB. Si Chrono, JB. Meron na po bang hahabol? I think wala na guys. Leonardo, wala pong nag-invite. Okay. Timothy Lim. Hello, nagsagot ka Timothy? Hanapin ko na lang later yung result ng answer mo. Anyways, meron namang timestamp, so I will make everything transparent. Okay? Alright. Si Christopher daw ang nagsagot sa kanya. Okay, I think we have a clear winner now kung sino yung maraming na-invite, and which is who is JV? JV. So the mysterious INRD 11. Okay. And again, guys, congratulations for the winner of this event, and I hope to see you again next time. Okay? Thank you. RG, ako nga po una nagsagot hata. Ahaha, weird. Check ko na lang, RG. Malay mo ikaw ang winner pala talaga. Okay? Alright. And again, guys, don't forget to add your friends now. We have Mia, add mo sila Cancel, Leonard, malay mo kayo rin na magkakasama sa SGV, and meron ka na agad friends. Ayan. More friends sa SGV, mas madaling magsagot ng mga problems sa client. Okay? Kasi more friends, marami kang network, and madali lang maghanap ng mga special na maalam na mga problem. Okay? Anyways, congratulations again, and see you on the next episode of this accounting quiz show. Thank you. Yung mga prize, guys, I will send na lang personally. All right. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Cancel, bawal po ba yung invite sa sarili? Cancel. Pwede namang invite yung sarili cancel. Pero for this event, huwag na natin bigyan ng point. Pero thank you dahil in-invite mo yung sarili mo. Sir, yun na lang po ilagay ko. Okay. So I think wala nang questions, guys, and I think we can now bye-bye. See you again on the next episode of this accounting quiz show. Again, thank you, guys. Bye-bye.